The exclusive STREX Fastener system is a patented system that allows for quick removal and easy installation of your boat cover. This system works with your current canvas and creates a quick and easy boat cover application while ensuring a secure, snug fit. Plus, the STREX Fastener system allows for easy on, easy off application that is sure to save you time and effort. While many boat covers shrink over time, making them difficult to use, the exclusive STREX Fastener system solves this by providing a flexible connecting strap that creates a solid, snug fit, ensuring proper coverage and maintaining the beauty of your boat. The STREX Fastener gives you both durability and flexibility, preventing wear and tear on your cover. The unique anchor knob attachment allows for quick and easy application and removal of your canvas. No more wrestling around with your boat cover and no more sore thumbs. The beauty of the STREX Fastener system is that it works with your existing snap-on boat cover, and you can install them yourself in just a few simple steps. First, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the existing male stud from the hull of your boat. Using the provided screw, replace with the STREX anchor knob and tighten. Be sure not to over-tighten. Hand tightening until the knob no longer rotates is sufficient. Next, apply a few drops of the provided adhesive around the base of the metal snap post as shown, and connect to the snap on the underside of your boat canvas. This will ensure that the metal snap is securely attached to your boat cover. After the adhesive has cured for 1 hour, loop on to connect the STREX Fastener over the metal snap on the underside of the canvas, and then simply lower the loop over the anchor knob that's on the boat hull. It's that easy. The STREX Fastener system is engineered to provide a secure, tight fit while still having the flexibility to attach shrunken boat covers. Easy installation, strength and flexibility, and no more sore thumbs. The exclusive STREX Fastener system is the faster, easier way to cover your boat. Order today at strexfasteners.com.